Welcome to Diamond Protex Nano Diamond Composite Coatings. You've selected our maintenance kit. This kit contains Diamond Body Prep, our ideal paint surface cleanser that will remove all polish residues, waxes and sealants. It also contains Diamond Quick Body, our hybrid SiO2 spray coating that creates a slick glossy finish that will resist UV oxidation and repel water. Ensure optimal bonding of your nano coatings and maintain your vehicle's shine with these easy-to-apply innovative sprays. Your kit includes Diamond Body Prep with a spray head, Diamond Quick Body with a spray head, microfiber towels, and a pair of gloves. Diamond Body Prep is applied in 3 very simple steps. Shake the bottle well, spray onto the surface area, and wipe down with a clean microfiber cloth. Once complete, your vehicle body is now ready for coating. Diamond Quick Body is applied in 4 easy steps. Spray onto the surface area. Wipe gently over entire area at least twice to provide even coverage. Work in sections to ensure correct and thorough application. Use a dry microfiber towel to remove any excess product. Repeat these steps until the car is gleaming. Mastering the mixing of enriched nano diamonds for over 7 years, Diamond Protec has created evenly distributed diamond armored elastic coatings with inherent hydrophobic characteristics, offering cars a new revolutionary coating option. It's heat-resistant, UV-resistant, water-repellent, and provides the highest surface hardness and abrasion resistance that technology can offer. It also resists corrosion because it's inorganic, thereby having a slower erosion time than any other competitive product. This is the new generation of car protection, exterior and interior. For more information about our coatings or the science behind them, click the link below.